Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ice auger drills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita XPH11RB Ice Auger Drill Kit. Get an ergonomically designed cordless hammer driver drill at only 2.9 pounds weight. The dimensions of the item are 5.6 x 16.9 x 13 inches. Speaking of this brushless compact drill kit, we would love to mention its wide range of functionalities. Pretty suitable for working in tight spaces as well. Enjoy the dual LED light services for illuminating the working area. However, the package includes an 18 volts LXT1/2 hammer driver drill, two 18 volts LXT lithium-ion 2.0 Ah batteries along with a rapid charger, and a tool case. Also, enjoy the soft rubber grip for optimum comfort and security. Moving on at number 4, we have the Eastvolt MV04T hammer drill for ice auger. Get a maximum 530 lbs torque from this mighty brushless motor. The speed varies from a high range, 0-2000, to a low range, 0-500, based on the fastening and drilling work. An extremely portable drill kit with a battery indicator is a blessing. The soft rubber grip provides absolute comfort while working with it. A built-in LED light lets you point on the working object even in the darkness. We used it in the tight spots as well, and it fitted properly. With a lightweight design, it has 3-in-1 function. The package includes a 20 volts brushless hammer drill, a 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery along with a fast charger, a user manual to follow the instructions, a belt clip made of metal, and a double-ended bit. Charge the battery only within an hour. However, this professional electric drill comes with a 1/2 keyless chuck. At number 3, we have the Craftsman CD711C2 drill for ice auger. We could not help including this product on our top 6 list because of its excellent features. It is suitable to perform heavy-duty applications with a high-performance motor. This cordless hammer drill requires 2 Li-ion batteries that are included with it. It has a 1/2 ratcheting chuck that fits a wide range of drill bits. Consequently, you can perform a variety of applications with it. For the provided battery, you will need an hour or less charging time. Also, the battery offers sufficient runtime. The package includes a 2-speed gearbox ranging from 0-350-1-500 for fastening. At number 2, we have the Ryobi P1813 Ice Auger Drill Kit. Meet a high-performance toolkit to meet your all ice auger needs. We got the package with a hammer drill, 1+18 volts battery with a charger, and a carrying bag. You will receive this cordless drill with the 24-position clutch. With the 3-position speed containment knob, it has the ability to tear through several materials. We loved the magnetic bit holder to keep the bit and fastener. So, you need not leave the working place every time you need to replace bits. Get a 4 Ah battery with a long lineup. The onboard fuel gauge indicates how much power is left. However, we used it in both high and low temperatures, and it worked great in both cases. We also got a tool bag to carry all the accessories together. The bag is adorable with a sturdy zipper. And finally at number 1, we have the Ridgid R86116 cordless power drill for ice auger. What more do you need when getting more than 100 positions adjustable clutch? Tighten it based on your need to get the exact torque. Compared to its brushed counterparts, this brushless motor is both faster and more durable. On the front side, get the LEDs to lighten your workplace. We could insert the handle from any direction to achieve maximum control for both left and right-handed users. Enjoy the ergonomic grip because of the rubber coating on the handle. It will add extra convenience for long working hours. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.